Half the World Away by Oasis. We are doing a full play along of this song with chords on screen throughout so that you can learn this song easily. That will be a little later in this video. I'll also show you the electric guitar parts over that playthrough and then teach you those after the play along. Timestamps will of course be in the description, but let's start off on acoustic guitar and show you these basic open chords that make up the bulk of the song, and I'll teach and cover all sections of this. Let's crack on. The chords that make up the intro and the first line of the verse in this song are a C major chord and an F major 7, where we just move the middle finger and third finger down one string. Entirely up to you whether you pick or leave to ring out the A note or choose to strum it from string 5. You could even do this if you prefer the sound, but either way we want that F major 7. We're then going to do a step down from C to C over B, where the B, or C/B, where the root note of this chord becomes the B note, but the higher strings all still play the C major chord. And then it's A minor, D7, and then back to the F major 7, which I'm going to default to play like this. That all happens twice for the verses. The strumming pattern throughout this song is down, down, up, down. Now that is the most common strumming pattern ever. Down, down, up, down. But it needs to be done with this swing strumming so that the ands are a little bit delayed from where you would normally play them to give it this swing feel. Rather than, which is a rigid not for this one, it needs this lazy kind of delayed up strum. So that's down, down, up, down, up, per chord for the intro and the start of the chorus. And then when we have the C/B section, we have C, C, C/B. And for that section, we just strum on the beat, 2 strums per chord, C, C, C/B. And then we return to down, down, up, down for the A minor, D7. And this optional kind of last up strum, which for this down, down, up, down, up, always make sure you've lifted off of whatever chord you're playing by that last up strum. Actually be in the air. You can leave any fingers down that might stay down between chords. So C major to F major 7 has this first finger which doesn't need to lift off. That's fine. But it's crucial to lift off there. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then the progression down, 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 up, down, lift. I'm doing it every time, you see. You could even lift off all your fingers. That's the biggest trick you need to get down, along with that swing strumming being nailed. Optional embellishment on the A minor chord, where we go to an A sus2 very briefly. Other than that, we should be able to get through the intro and the verse with all that. Let's have a little playthrough now. Join in with me in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I would like to leave this city. This old town don't smell too pretty. I can feel the warning signs running over my mind. And when I leave this island, I'll book myself into the soul asylum. 'Cause I can feel the warning signs running over my mind. Here I go, still scratching around in the same old hole. My body feels young, but my mind full chord sheet linked to in the description below if you wish, if you need more help. But now we're on to the chorus, and this is the A minor section. So the first chord becomes A minor. So here I go. That's the C major, E7, and A minor. And that chord progression is going to repeat again, but we have a very similar chord progression now, and then a similar but different one once we go to this F chord, basically. So F major 7, my body feels young but my mind, D7, and then G, which I recommend we play a George Harrison G here, or that's what I nickname it, so we can go to a G7, which is played like this. And then it's that same progression again. So what do you say, E7, that A minor anyway. And now it's different, it's F major to F minor, which Noel does seem to play this way, at least most of the times and in the videos that I've seen him play. F major, the world away, half the world away. It's then C/B, A minor, D7, F major 7. So there's a lot of similar repetition there, but not always exactly the same. Let's have a play through that whole thing, first of all to see how it goes, and then for you to practice over to make sure that you've got it. Really slow, one strum play through first of all. Chorus starts off with A minor. So here I go. E7 still scratching around, A minor, same old hole. F major 7, D7, then to G, G7. Repeat that first line now. A minor, what do you say? E7, A minor. F major to F minor then. Half the world away, half the world away, half the world away. I've been lost, I've been found, but I don't feel down. Let's cover that with the strumming, with the singing, and with chords on screen now too. Join in with me in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So what do you say? You can't give me the dreams that are mine anyway. Half the world away, half the world away, half the world away. I've been lost, I've been found, but I don't feel down. Other than that, there's really no other sections you need to know on acoustic guitar other than the structure of the song, which is that intro, verse, chorus. Basically, intro, verse, chorus again, and then the intro again, which is the outro, C to F, C to F. There's this little strum that we do at the end of the chorus, and then a little double tap. I'm sure you can get that from the play along, the playthrough sections. We'll have chords on screen now. Let me show you how we can do this full song on acoustic guitar. I'll have that electric guitar there to give you some inspiration of that as well. We'll be teaching you that after the play along section. Best of luck with it. Join in with me in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This old town don't smell too clean. I can feel the warning signs running over my mind. And when I leave this island, I'll book hope that playthrough went really well for you. Let me know how it went in the comments below, and if you like that sort of thing, please check out my beginner, improver and intermediate courses, which have that at every level of these courses with chords on screen, and particularly my 10 and 14-day courses have this on screen for lead guitar stuff as well. So check those out. Those are available only at andyguitar.co.uk. But let's have a look at these electric guitar parts now, which begin with exactly the same chords and same strumming or picking hand motion, but we're picking single strings. So it's the same rhythm, same chords, but rather than doing this, we're picking single strings. And that is picking string 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3. Same strings on the F chord apart from the root note, which changes to string 4. And then we lift off of this chord to play the open string when we hit string 3. The picking motion, as in the ups and downs I'm using, are still down, down, up, down, up. The same as if I was strumming it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But I'm not moving my forearm at all. I'm keeping my wrist nice and loose, but I'm really just moving down like this and just moving the wrist slightly. It's all a wrist motion. I'm picking very lightly. I'm being, no tension in the wrist is really important. And guitar setup wise, I'm still using my Boss Katana. This is on just the crunch setting, but I've used the neck pickup on my D'Angelico, and I've used the coil split in as well. If I strummed everything really loud, that's actually what you get, so I'm not super clean. What I've done, coil split in to make it more of a single coil type sound, and pick light. To play this for the rest of the song, we've changed the pattern a couple of times. When we have this descending section, every time we go C, C over B, A minor, it's 1, 3, 2, and then the root note first before that. And then the same kind of thing as we're doing on the acoustic with the embellishment, but with single strings. And then that's our D7 embellishment. 1, 2, 3. 1 on a D7 sus4, back to the D7, and then that's just exactly the same as we've been doing on the F. So that is 2, 3, 4. And approximations of that, as you heard there, are absolutely fine. I think the biggest thing we then need to cover that isn't exact repetition of that is the F to F minor. Which I would play like that. So that's string 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back to. That's the same as on the F chords from before. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is how I would play it. I hope that and the play along video really helped you nail this song and have some great fun. I'll leave a couple of other Oasis links on screen now, and include a link to my intermediate course where we look at stuff like this more in depth on acoustic and electric guitar. That's at andyguitar.co.uk on the courses page. I hope to see you over there, guys. Take care. Bye bye for now.